of the hardest things about being a kid is that the things you want, they seem a little out of reach. That's why today, I'm going to show you how to build an adjustable kitchen stool. Rivers wants to help his mom bake cookies for the holidays. I'm going to build him a stool that will elevate his cooking game. We'll include some handrails for safety, a platform that moves between 4 possible positions, and even a hinged base where Rivers can keep some supplies. We'll start by making the base, which will double as a storage container. I measure and cut the bottom of our stool using the table saw. Then I take our longer board to the miter saw, where I cut it into the front, back, and side pieces. I drill out some pilot holes. Then I put glue on the seams. I drive screws through the pilot holes, and our base begins to come together. Now, my base needs a top. I cut out 2 pieces, one for the back and a second for the front that will hinge open. I attach the back half of the top to the base, but I'll hold off on attaching the lid just yet. With the bottom finished, I'll cut 4 pieces to support the adjustable platform. I use the miter saw to cut some 1x4 pieces to length. Next, I measure out a few height positions Rivers might want to stand at, allowing him to reach for things high and low. His platform will rest on a pair of dowels, which I mark holes for and cut out using a hole saw on my drill. To lock the dowels in place, I'll attach a decorative stopper. I cut out notches for them using the drill and jigsaw. Finally, I attach the supports to our base. With our supports finished, let's cut and attach our handrails. First, I measure and cut rail pieces on the miter saw. I glue and clamp them into place at the top of the supports. Then, I drill in some screws. Now when Rivers is standing tall, he'll always have something to hold on to. Our stool is almost complete. We just need to build a platform to help Rivers reach new heights. I cut out our platform, again, on the miter saw. The platform will be supported above the dowels by 2 pipe clamps. I mark out some holes on the clamps and attach them to the platform with some screws. Our project's almost finished. We just need to add some stain and finish our stool. We're going with a gray stain for a beach chic look. I rub in the stain in small circles over the entire stool. Once it's coated and dry, I line up and drill in some small screws to attach the lid to our base. And our hinge is working fine. It's time for Rivers to finally bake those cookies. At this new height, anything is possible. Rivers is free to design his little cookies however he wants. Let's just say it's a matter of taste. And regardless of how they look, they do taste very good. This easy build helps bring Rivers' family closer together. Perhaps it will find a place in your home too.